Have you ever wondered what truly makes a younger woman interested in you? Many men think they need to show off wealth or constantly chase after women to win their attention. But the real secret lies in knowing how to communicate effectively. The right words can shift the dynamic and make her the one chasing you. And the best way to do this? Ask the right questions. In this video, I'll share 4 powerful types of questions that will grab her interest and make you stand out from the crowd. These aren't the usual questions younger men ask, which is exactly why they work so well. So stay until the end to discover how to turn the tables and make her eager to know more about you. Let's dive in. Number 1. Setting the tone questions. One of the biggest mistakes men make is not setting their own standards. Instead, they let women decide what the dynamic will be. But if you want a woman to pursue you, you need to give her something to strive for. That means making your expectations clear, not by demanding, but by leading with thought-provoking questions. For example, if intelligence matters to you, instead of saying, "I only date smart women," you could ask, "What's the last book you read that really made you think?" This lets her know that intelligence is important to you, and she'll naturally want to impress you. If you're drawn to adventurous women, you might say, "What's the most exciting place you've ever been to?" By doing this, you're subtly setting the bar and giving her the chance to rise to it. When you clearly communicate your values through questions, you create intrigue and encourage her to engage with you on a deeper level. Want to keep it light and fun? If she struggles to answer, you can joke, "Come on, no interesting stories. We need to fix that." This keeps the conversation flowing and reinforces that you're someone worth getting to know. Number 2. Validation questions. Showing interest in a woman is important, but constantly showering her with compliments can make you seem desperate. Instead, the key is validation, recognizing something she has worked hard on and showing appreciation for it. Think about how good it feels when someone notices an effort you put into something meaningful. Women feel the same way. The trick is to pay attention and validate the things she truly values. For example, if she talks about a passion project, instead of saying, "That's cool," ask, "That sounds amazing. What inspired you to start it?" This shows that you're genuinely interested in who she is beyond just her looks. By validating what's important to her, you create a deeper connection that goes beyond surface-level attraction. Number 3. Authority questions. Confidence and expertise in a subject can be highly attractive, but instead of bragging about your knowledge, you can establish authority in a much more engaging way, by asking thoughtful questions that subtly showcase your experience. For instance, if she loves traveling, instead of listing all the places you've been to, try saying, "I've always believed local food tells a lot about a culture. What's been your most memorable meal while traveling?" This approach does 2 things. It hints that you're well-traveled without directly saying it, and it invites her to share her experiences, making the conversation more dynamic. By positioning yourself as someone with interesting insights, you naturally spark her curiosity. She'll want to know more about you and what else you bring to the table. Number 4. Intriguing questions. Curiosity is a powerful tool in attraction. If you reveal everything about yourself too quickly, there's no mystery left. But if you drop small hints and let her wonder about you, you'll keep her interest alive. For example, instead of telling a long story about a thrilling experience, you can say, "Once, I had an adventure in a place most people would be too scared to visit. But I'll tell you about it later. Have you ever done something totally out of your comfort zone?" This leaves her intrigued and wanting to hear more, while also inviting her to share something exciting about herself. By balancing what you share with what you hold back, you create a dynamic, engaging conversation that makes her eager to keep talking to you. Final thoughts. These 4 types of questions, setting the tone, validation, authority, and intriguing questions, can completely change how a woman perceives you. Instead of chasing her, you naturally shift the dynamic, so she's the one wanting to know more about you. But the key to making this work is authenticity. Be yourself, have fun, and let the conversation flow naturally. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the Stoic Route, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, good luck out there.